Hello everyone, welcome back to the Step Assessment session. This is me Arjun Tamas. I hope everyone is doing great in their life. So today our session topic is what is HACCP in restaurants according to the food safety standards and explains properly till finding problem to solving it. Okay. So in simple language, what is HACCP HACCP? So actually you will find the hazard and it will be analytic and how do you control the critical control point. So that's all of the procedures is the HACCPs. Okay. Basically, hazards follow in every industry, everywhere. Big manufacturers, productions, kitchens, restaurants is all related with finding hazard and analyzing the criticals and how to control it. This all of the procedure and method it is the HACCPs. Okay, but in this video we'll discuss about the restaurants and food safety. Okay, HACCP hazard analysis and critical control point is a structured approach to food safety that ensures food served in restaurants is safe to eat. It is based on identifying potential food safety hazards and implementing measures to control them. Okay, so this is the very simple explanation you can see in here. So let's jump to the procedures. Okay, number one, conduct a hazard analysis. What is mean? Identify all potential food safety hazard at every step of your restaurant's food handling process. Example, consider delivery, storage, preparations, cooking, cooling, servicing, etc. Okay, you can add here equipment functions as well. Okay. Why? If you will find any problem in equipment, so you will find what is the hazard and you will control it. Okay, so next is the type of hazards, biologicals, chemicals, and the physicals. You can add in here or environment hazard, psychological hazard, etc. We will discuss about the hazard in next video. That is also very important questions. Okay, for now you can see in here biological hazard, bacteria, viruses, parasites, example salmonella and listeria. Okay, and chemical hazards, cleaning agents, allergens or food additives. Physical hazards, foreign objects like glass, metals or hair. And actions, write down all steps in your workflow and list possible hazard for each. Number two, determine critical control point. Okay, so what it means? Identify the key steps where a hazard can be controlled or eliminated to ensure food safety. Example, CCPs in restaurants, cooking, refrigerations, cooling, cleaning and sanitizations equipment. Okay, so cooking, to ensure food reaches a safe temperatures. Example, 75 degrees Celsius for poultry. Refrigerations, keeping perishable food below 5 degrees Celsius. Cooling food from 60 degrees to 21 degrees Celsius within 2 hours and 5 degrees below 5 degrees Celsius within 4 hours. So about this cooking and coolings, I had already explained in my previous video, so you can go and check that video. Okay, this is also very important questions. Cleaning and sanitizing equipment. Action, mark the steps in your workflow that are CCPs and need strict monitoring. Number three, set critical limits. What it means? Define the safety standards that must be met at each CCP to prevent, eliminate or reduce hazards. Okay, and examples, food must be cooked to at least 75 degrees Celsius. Cold food must be stored at or below 5 degrees Celsius. Cleaning chemicals must not come into contact with food surfaces. Use guidelines from government standard or scientific research to set these limits. Actions, establish measurable criteria, example temperatures, times for each CCP. Number four, establish monitoring procedures. What it means? Regularly check CCPs to ensure critical limits are being met. Examples, use a thermometer to check the internal temperature of cooked food. Check the fridge temperature daily. Log when equipment is clean and sanitized. Action, create or schedules and designated start to monitor and record data for each CCP. Number five, develop corrective actions. What this means? Plan a step to fix problem if critical limits are not met. Okay, examples, if food doesn't reach 75 degrees Celsius, cook it longer or discard it. If fridge is above 5 degrees Celsius, move food to another fridge and call for repair. If cleaning is skipped, re-sanitize surfaces immediately. Actions, write a list of potential problems and solutions for each CCP. Number six, verify the system. What it means? Ensure your HACCP plans is working effectively and keeping food safe. Examples, perform internal audit to check logbooks and monitoring records. Calibrate thermometer regularly to ensure accuracy. Review incidents and corrective actions to improve processes. Actions, Schedules regular reviews and testing of your HACCP systems. So number 7, keep records and documentation. What it means: maintains details record to demonstrate compliance with HACCP's requirements. Examples: temperatures logs for cooking, cooling and storage, cleaning and sanitization schedules, corrective actions reports. Actions: use paper log or digital system to record all relevant data and store it for the required time. So video is going to be very long in here, so I will upload the full video in YouTube channels. So you can go in profile and click in the YouTube link and you can check in their full video in my YouTube channels. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for your time. If you have any questions, you can ask me in comment sections. I will reply in theirs. And if you need any help, you can contact me. See you in next session. Till now, stay happy, stay healthy. See you in next video. Thank you very much.